everybody, welcome. It is day 7 of Treasure Trovember. And if you are just joining us, I encourage you to go back to day 1, the welcome video, and start at the beginning. You can catch up quickly. These videos, the prompts are very short. They're about 2 minutes a day. You can do the challenge in about 10 minutes a day. So I encourage you to do that. There's a link down below so you can register and get a free guide to Treasure Trovember full of tips from past participants, and I think you'll really enjoy that. And so today, day 7, our prompt is add a word. I'm thinking of a lot of words right now, but just find a word to add to your collage. If you can't find the right word, you can certainly write it, but you know, grab some magazines or other materials or a stencil or something like that and add a word to your collage today. We'll see you tomorrow.